Today, we are diving into the golden spice that's taken the wellness world by storm, turmeric. Turmeric, known for giving curry its vibrant yellow color, has a rich history in India, where it's been used for centuries as both a spice and a medicinal herb. But what makes turmeric so special? The secret lies in its active compound called curcumin. Now, turmeric on its own contains only a small percentage of curcumin by weight, but this little compound packs a powerful punch. Curcumin is known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, rivaling some prescription medications. Plus, it's a powerful antioxidant, protecting our bodies from harmful free radicals that contribute to aging and disease. But curcumin isn't easily absorbed into the bloodstream. To boost its bioavailability, try consuming turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural substance that enhances the absorption of curcumin by a whopping 2,000%. And since curcumin is fat-soluble, pairing it with a fatty meal can also help your body make the most of it. So what are the health benefits of this golden spice? Research suggests that curcumin can help protect against heart disease by improving the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels. It may also lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Curcumin has also shown promise in the fight against cancer. Studies indicate that it can inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. While more research is needed, this is definitely a promising area worth keeping an eye on. But that's not all. Curcumin may also boost brain health. It can increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that's crucial for memory and learning. Plus, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties might help alleviate symptoms of depression and even delay the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Now, you might be wondering, how can I incorporate turmeric into my daily routine? It's pretty simple. You can add it to your favorite dishes like soups, stews, and smoothies. Or try a warm, soothing cup of turmeric tea. Just remember, a little goes a long way. While turmeric is generally safe, it's important to be mindful of the dosage. Too much can lead to digestive discomfort. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have pre-existing medical conditions, or suffer from iron deficiency, consult your healthcare provider before making turmeric a regular part of your diet. In conclusion, turmeric and its potent compound, curcumin, offer a range of impressive health benefits, from reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases to potentially enhancing brain health. So why not give this golden spice a try? It might just be the boost your healthy lifestyle needs.